just cracked open the fill plug. Just wanted to make sure we could get the fill plug out. That's what it looks like. And it does have a little washer in there. So you can see there's a washer. So that's the fill plug. Now we'll go ahead and crack the drain plug, and all it is a 10 millimeter Allen socket to get the fill plugs out.
You got it.
Got it. That is some serious torquage on that thing. Alright guys, definitely don't do what I did and go to the Lexus dealer to buy gear oil and get ripped off. But I figured I was already there and I needed it, so I fucking paid for it. But look at this gear oil, it's like highlighter yellow. That is crazy. This thing will make your Lexus run 600,000 miles. Alright, here we go. You see it?
Let me see.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
I see it.
Alright guys, so we just pumped this up until it starts trickling out from the fill plug, so we know we're full in there.
Oh, I can't see.
Can't see?
No, I see.
Okay. Oh, alright. That's it. And then we're gonna have a little mess back here. But, okay, that's it. Now we'll just tighten this up and we're good.